Hello everyone, in today's video we would like to introduce you to our Minty Duo binding machine. It is a machine that allows us to make two different types of binding. The classic binding with square holes and rings, and mushroom-shaped holes for disc rings. The Minty Duo can punch paper, vellum, cardstock, cardboard up to 2 mm, acetate and polypropylene. After each use, it is recommended to empty the waste container, which is located at the back of the machine, to prevent it from clogging. It is a compact machine that does not take up too much space and can be used for a wide variety of projects. It is also very easy to use. Let's take a look at how it works. To start the Minty Duo binding machine more conveniently, the lever for the punching holes is locked downwards. To unlock it, press the lever a little and move the locking tab. Push the lever upwards and you are ready to go. To choose which type of binding you want to do it with the punching selector. If you set it to the left, you will make square holes. The other side is to make the holes for the disc rings. This part shows the number of holes that the machine makes, where it will make them, and the center of the perforations, which will be very useful to align your projects, together with this ruler in centimeters and inches that is included in the base. The measurement chart and alignment guide will be used when the project is larger than the width of the machine and needed to punch a continuous hole. We will see how to do this later. At the back of the machine, we have the rate to close the rings by lowering the lever. This piece moves and presses the rings closed. We can use rings from 5/8 to 1 inch. We are going to make a small notebook quickly with square holes and rings. In this case, the notebook is 4 by 6, so we don't need continuous perforation. First, we choose the type of perforation. To punch the inside pages, we simply use the ruler to guide us and place the edges at the corresponding size. Lower the lever and punch. Now do the same for the covers. We have made them a ½ centimeter bigger than the pages, so we will center them at that size. We lower the lever and punch. Put the rings on this holder and assemble the project. First, the inside pages, then the cover, and finally the back cover facing each other. Once it's ready, place it in the rail and lower the lever to close the rings. Now we are going to see how to make a continuous perforation on a A4 page. First, look in the size chart for the size of your project. Follow the indications. We have to place the alignment guide in position B. Now, press the button to raise the stop for the paper. Align the paper with the button and make the first perforation. Once it's done, lower the button again so that it doesn't bother you when you continue punching. To make the next holes, move the continuous punching stop to the corresponding position and place the third hole at the end. Punch again and so on until you have the whole project. Now, let's move on to the disc ring example, which is much easier. Place the punching selector in the holes for disc rings. Center the papers, in this case they are 5 inches, and lower the punching lever. Now place the disc rings and you're ready to go. For continuous perforation, the process is the same as before, except that continuous punching stop is placed in the mushroom holes. Find the corresponding size in the size chart, which is, in this case, the position H, and lift the stopper. Align the paper and punch. This time we will fit the last hole for the continuous perforation. Now you continue with the punching. We hope you love the new Minty Duo binding machine as much as we do, and that with this video we've solved your doubts on how to use it. You can see that it's very simple, and in future videos we will give you ideas and inspiration to create your own projects. We'll read you in the comments and see you in the next video.